Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add color bar word. Let's access the Word file. From the Insert menu, click on Table and choose the 1x1 option. After that, with the table selected, from the Table Design menu, click on Shading and select the color to use in the color bar. Now click on Borders and there choose the option No Border. This will give a better presentation to the color bar in Word. Another way you can work is in the Insert menu. Click on Shapes and there select the rectangle. Adjust the rectangle to the desired size. With the shape selected from the Shape Format menu, click on Shape Fill and there set the color for the bar. Finally, display the option, Shape Outline, and click on No Outline to make the color bar more elegant. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.